feel kind of
Did you
weird.
hear something?
Cool.
Try that again. Wait until she gets distracted by the toys.
What's she signing?
I said
Thank
weird in your head.
It's just signing
Like,
head.
in my head.
Yes. She's turning and looking at you. That was just coincidence or not?
Yeah.
We'll see. I'm gonna try it again. Oh no! Yay!
Feel that?
Yay!
Good job.
Very good.
Excited. I'm gonna cry.
Oh, new feeling. Hey!
Yeah. That's new.
So we're gonna switch and we're gonna check another electrode and see what we get.
Amazing.
That was wonderful. You gonna switch on?
Are we ready?
You ready?
Ready? And now we're trying to pay attention to different things we hear.
What is it?
There's Dad's voice, and Annie makes sounds.
Annie,
There's Mama's voice. Do you hear Mama's
Annie?
voice?
can you hear Mama?
Mama's saying Annie, Annie. Yeah. Is it a lot, probably? A lot to absorb? What do you think?
Oh, she's definitely responding, hey?
Is it a little scary?
Oh, baby.
Oh, but you're okay.
Yeah.
As we said, that's why we want to start off. And this is the let's start out. So we have some quieter ones.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. There you go. Something new?
You feel something?
It's exciting.
I'm gonna check that again. Wait till she starts looking the other direction. Yes!
You gotta wait. Yeah, you gotta wait.
Oh my gosh, she's the best.
She's not expressive at all.
Yeah, it's so good.